Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Today in this lecture we are going to solve this sum. Find radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60-degree intercepts an arc length 37.4 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 22/7. Now we know that radius of the circle is denoted by r, and arc length denoted by s, and angle is denoted by theta, that is in radian, and we have given in degrees. So 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3 radian. If you don't know how to calculate convert it into radian, please do check my channel Study with me, in which trigonometric series is there, in which I have explained every concept related to trigonometry. Now this 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3 radian, so we are having theta is equal to pi by 3 radian. Now we know that s is equal to r theta, that is arc length is equal to radius times angle in radian. Now r is equal to s by theta, that will be equal to s is given, that is 37.4, and radian is pi by 3. After calculation, r is equal to 35.7 centimeter approximately. Hence radius of circle is 35.7 centimeter. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.